guys, what's going on? I'm here back for another video, and today we're going to be continuing the Pokemon series, so like, yay! Last time the footage got corrupted, so yay. So I just made a highlights video for that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So today, we are back in Pokemon Sapphire, and we are here. This guy is missing a Pico. And if I remember learning one thing, in that Windsmiths boost something. I don't know if it's attack, defense, speed, but I know it's something really good like that. I might be wrong and I might be looking like an idiot. But that's fine, it's fine. Yes, level 16! Oh yes! My boy KFC is gonna be coming! A goddamn chicken breast, not a chicken nugget! No, he's gonna be coming a drumstick, not a chicken nugget. He was a chicken nugget, but now he's here. A full-on drumstick. What would be Yes! KFC, you're evolving! Dun dun dun. Dun dun. Combustion! Oh god, that hurts my brain. Dun, dun. Yeah! Oh yes. Now I actually have a proper layout. His moveset's looking good, that's always good. So Combustion, I found a Pokeball in a Pokeball. Oh my god. Okay. I wish you could just go. Wait, I want to see if fighting moves are effective. They're probably not, but like, double kick it twice. Never mind! They are very effective. Very effective. Give me the bird, boy! He's the bird, that's a boy! Oh no, it's like Pinocchio, they're turning children into birds. Well, it was donkeys. But this time it's birds! Double kick! One of my favorite moves for the early game. So OP. It makes battle goes way quicker. The Demon Goods. Oh, this is how I get to. This is how I go to the other island. And when I go to the other island and give the guy the letter and then come back, I get the XP share. That means magic can finally do things in this game. Because I am not grinding. I'm just gonna grind on my with KFC, and hopefully magic gets some XP. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I don't know if I should get a Tailo, because like, should I get a Tailo? I'll get one for now, I guess. I'll just scratch it. Never mind, I will not get a Tailo. At least it wasn't shiny. Then I would have been devastated. Oh. It's a skitty. Skitty pop pop. Hey. Okay, I'm just gonna cut to when I'm at the demon place. See you guys in a second. For a second I thought he said he gave me a burrito. Would that be cannibalism? Because my name's Burrito? What if I put the name... What if a guy named Taco ate a taco? Oh my brain is starting to shut down. Okay, well at least we know how to get the XP share, so they'll be quick. So I'm just gonna take the boat ride, and I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. I'm back, and it seems that he's chasing a pesky bird. Oh wait, do I have to get in between him and Pico? Please, no. Damn it. Do I have to talk to him, maybe? Please! Stop it! Get some help! Oh yes, I did it. Oh my god. I thought that would never happen. Okay, yay! We get to go on a boat ride. How fun. Oh god, this boat's fast. That's the layout of bricks. Hey, that means there's a new gym we can do. Yeah. No, I do not. Okay, so I'm gonna heal. Now, the real question is, should I catch myself a magic carp so I can get a Gyarados later on? Or should I just not have a water type? Those are the 2 options. Please don't tell me you're a water type. You probably are. Yeah, you are. How fun. Can I kick you in the face? Get kicked in the face. Twice. Get wrecked, kid. Okay, I guess I'll see you guys in... Actually, nah. This Pokemon battle's already done. Oh, last level 17. That's good. I feel like I might be focusing too much on KFC. Well, that's a good thing, because I don't want to be Burrito. Wait, I am Burrito. Because I'm gonna switch to Brad, because it's a rock gym, and not a rock gym. It's a wait, is it a rock gym? I am going to switch to this because it's rock type Pokemon. Oh no, I forgot about Zubats. I guess I'll see you guys when I'm finally up and out of this. Guys, I made it out of the cave, and it nearly killed me. Oh my god, the amount of things I went through. And let's just say, Brad is not good against Zubats whatsoever. He is really not good against him. So, let's try to end this episode on a good note and try to beat and have a go at the gym. Actually, before we do that, let's get some XP shares. Oh no, hurry up please, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, up. And, this is quite annoying. My tactic has just been to run away. It's the easiest thing. Okay, so we're gonna get the XP share, and we're gonna have a try at the gym, and I think that would be good enough for today. Ahoy, matey! Petalburg, I'll go Slateport after the gym. Okay, now, make this boat fast as fuck. Cause I'm fast as fuck, boy! I will return here later. So I'm just gonna skip time for you guys. So be right back. God, we got the XP share. Yo. I know what it is. Please. Yes. Make my chance. Still we damn it, I thought KFC could learn it. There we are. I mean, you give, not use. How do I even do this? Oh, I'll be mad if I accidentally jump that way. Well, I'll see you guys at the gym. We are in the gym. So hopefully we can find our way and not get lost in this really dark cave. Not cave, a maze. And I just realized something which will be annoying. I'm gonna keep on running into these guys, and they do so much damage if they get a high jump kick off, so I need to kill, and I used scratch. Okay. Please use protect again. Do what you did. Come on, oh, Jesus. Peck. Okay, Peck's super effective. That's good to know. Okay, let's go. Yes, rolls. Level up, magic. Oh yes, I forgot that it expands every time you defeat a trainer. Is this the right way or the wrong way? Oh, wait, I'm already here? Oh, that was easy. Thought that would be way, way longer. Well, guys, here we go. Second gym leader. And I realized I don't have any potions. This is gonna be annoying. Okay, just keep using Peck. Wait, what's better, Peck or... Can I see? I know Peck's super effective, but doesn't Ember do more damage? Ooh! Yeah, Ember does way more damage, but I'm dead. Or not. Oh, how fun. I wish I had something like that. That would make life way easier. Critical hit! Damn it! And I'm dead. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh god, I'm gonna fail this. Absorb. Oh my god. Let's see how long this is gonna take. Oh, why? This is gonna take forever. I steal your health. Die, 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 die. I'll tell you guys if something happens. Be right. And we failed miserably. We are really not prepared for this. So, I guess this is a good place to end it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. And bye!